Hello everyone. Today we are going to be doing a quick product review of the Otis Smart Gun Care Breech to Muzzle Gun Cleaning Kit that I will be using throughout the first portion of my gunsmithing school, and I'm just going to go through it as I unbox it myself. Kind of go through some of the stuff that is inside and kind of give you my overall review of the kit before I even get to use it. So, over the next minute or two, I will start unboxing this thing. So here we are, got it unzipped here. And as you can see, it's well put together. You have all of your bore brushes over here in the corner. You've got all of your cables that you will attach those to pull them through the bore of your firearm. Got a bunch of cleaning patches down here in the thing. Got a GI brush right here in this pocket. This, I don't know yet. We'll have to go through and see what that contains. You got some random oil up here. Some more lens cleaner up here in the corner with some lens cloths. So let's break it down, go through it and see what we got.